Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can use a cool text template for your clips in CapCut. So here what you guys need to do is just first go to text, and then here you'll find a text template. Click on that, and I suggest you find the text template in the trending here. So this is the where the cool text template from CapCut is. You can just explore and choose which one that you want to add or use to your clips. There is also like Avenger text, like the text template, Stranger Things, and many other interesting or cool text templates. So I'm going to just choose which one. So for example, I want to use this ones right here. Okay, the fill in groovy. Then you can just click on the text box to edit the text with your own. Okay, just delete it and add your own text. And after that, just go back and click on a check icon, and now adjust the position like this, and then you are done. You can also add animation or like you can change the style if you want. Okay guys, so that's how you can use text template in CapCut. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and subscribe. Bye.